Hello everyone, welcome back to the vlog. So today we will be going from Khajiar to Chamba, which is 20 kilometers from Khajiar. So the historical record of Chamba dated back to 920, wherein Raja Sahil Varman he shifted his capital of the kingdom from Barmor to Chamba. Barmor, which is it's approximately 65 kilometers from Chamba. So he has 10 sons and 1 daughter. And on the request of her daughter's name Champavati, he named this place and renamed the city on her name, that is Chamba. Chamba is located at an altitude of approximately 3,300 feet above the mean sea level and located on the banks of the Ravi River. The town has a lot of temples and palaces, out of which one of the most popular temple dated back to 10th century is Sri Lakshmi Narayan Temple Complex. Yes, it is a complex, समूह है temples का, wherein 6 temples are constructed in 10th century by Raja Sahil Varman. The construction story of Sri Lakshmi Narayan Temple Complex dated back to 1950, which was completed approximately in the 10th century. It was said that King Sahil has suspicion on her daughter, and because of that, because it was found to be false, he was asked to build a temple in lieu of that. And the शिला जो टेम्पल का जो पत्थर था, that has to be taken from the Godavari river. And while taking that stone from the Godavari river to the plateau of Chamba, his 9 sons lost their life. And then this temple was constructed by his 10th son himself and on the name of her daughter Champavati. कहा जाता है कि जो शिला लाई गई थी, उस शिला से 6 टेम्पल्स बनाए गए, और जो लक्ष्मी नारायण जी की जो यहाँ पे आइडल बनाई हुई है, दैट इज़ ऑल्सो क्रेव्ड आउट फ्रॉम दैट शिला. एंड इट इज़ सेड दैट इट इज़ वन ऑफ द लार्जेस्ट आइडल विच इज़ प्रेजेंट in one of our oldest temple that dated back to 10th century, approximately 1000-year-old temple. And this temple has a both historical and scientific confluence in terms of in 1905 a strong earthquake came, approximately 22,000 people lost their life, but this temple stood still intact and nothing happened to it. Only 2 or 3 pillars were tilted, and with the passage of time those pillars also switched to their original positions. अगर हम टेम्पल की शॉर्ट डिस्क्रिप्शन देखें, सो दिस टेम्पल इज़ मेड इन शिकारा स्टाइल. शिकारा स्टाइल मीन्स इन a mountain peak style where a spire is present, and all the 6 temples are made in that archaeological style with the wooden chhatris and a shelf roof to prevent it from the heavy snowfall that take place in the winter season. Beside the idol of Lord Vishnu, which is the center presenting deity in the temple complex, there are 5 other temples which are related to Radha Krishnan and Gauri Shankar ji. The Radha Krishnan temple was stood there from 1825 AD, which was built by the queen of Raja Jeet Singh, Rani Sharda. However, the Shiva temple of Chandragupta was believed to have been built by Sahil Varman, and construction of Gauri Shankar temple was by his son and successor Yugkar Varma. The temple complex has a large marble image of Sri Lakshmi Nath ji, जो कि कश्मीरी स्टाइल में बनाए गए हैं, and it is also called as बैकुंठ. इनको बैकुंठ भी कहा जाता है. गर्भगृह के सामने जो है एक मंडप बना हुआ है, जो कि पत्थर का एक स्क्वायर प्लेटफॉर्म है, जो इसको हम बोलते हैं चुकुंडू. चुकुंडी का मतलब क्या है? एक ऐसा प्लेस वेयर विच इज़ अ सीट ऑफ अ जस्टिस, जहाँ पे कि लोग आकर ओथ लेते हैं सच्चाई की. और अगर हम इस टेम्पल कॉम्प्लेक्स के कंस्ट्रक्शन पे ध्यान दें, सो दी 6 टेम्पल्स आर कंस्ट्रक्टेड फ्रॉम नॉर्थ टू साउथ That is, the first one is Shri Lakshmi Nath ji, second Shri Radha Krishnan ji, third Shri Chandragupta ji, fourth Shri Gauri Shankar ji, fifth Shri Triambakeshwar ji, and the sixth one is Shri Lakshmi Damodar ji respectively. So जो ये temples हैं बहुत ही सुंदर and vast in a spire style, शिकारा स्टाइल में बनाए गए हैं. बहुत ही अच्छे से इन stones पे images and designs जो हैं वो बनाए हुए हैं. These look very pretty and thousands of years से ये ऐसे के ऐसे हैं. There is no effect of heavy snowfall, no effect of earthquake, and this is the beauty of having a good architectural history of India. Thank you so much for traveling with us.